Today, the dua is very easy, and all of you know all the words, but you did not know that they come in that order. What happened? Rasulullah ﷺ was sitting with the Sahaba, and a Bedouin Arabi came. And we all know that the Sahaba used to be very happy when the Bedouin comes, because they used to be very shy to keep asking Rasulullah ﷺ questions. And they get very happy when the Bedouin comes because they are blunt. They ask immediately. So this Bedouin came and said, Ya Rasulullah, allimni khayra. Ya Rasulullah, teach me khayr. Teach me something good. So Rasulullah ﷺ said, say, Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. Rasulullah ﷺ took his hand and he said, say, Subhanallah, alhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. The methods of Rasulullah ﷺ. When I want to make the outcome of my talk to you very fruitful, I do a physical touch between you and the person. You put your hand on his shoulder. This is Rasulullah ﷺ. He took his hand. He could have told him, say Subhanallah. He took his hand. Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. So the Arabi did this and then went. Started walking. Then, like for example, about the door, then he came back. So Rasulullah ﷺ, when he saw him coming back, tabassam. He started smiling and said, tafakkar al-ba'is. This poor man, he pondered upon what I told him. So the Arabi came, said, Ya Rasulullah, Subhanallah, alhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. This is for Allah. What about for me? He said, Rasulullah, he laughed and he said, when you say Subhanallah, Allah would say, Sadaqt, you have said the truth. When you say Alhamdulillah, Allah would say, Sadaqt, you have said the truth. When you say La ilaha illallah, Allah would say, Sadaqt, you have said the truth. And when you say Allahu Akbar, Allah would say, Sadaqt, you have said the truth. And then you say, Allahumma ghfirli, فيقول الله قد فعلت اللهم ارحمني فيقول الله قد فعلت اللهم ارزقني فيقول الله قد فعلت الله أكبر. Subhanallah. He said then, after these 4 words, because these 4 words, you remember, Rasulullah ﷺ said, the most beloved words to Allah are Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. خير ما طلعت عليه الشمس. He said, for me to say Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar, better than owning the whole dunya. And many hadith, they are like, a branch that have leaves on it. Every time you say Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, akbar, the sins drop just like the leaves drop from that branch. Many benefits of these 4 words. Then he said, say, Allahumma ghfirli, Ya Allah, forgive me. And Allah would say, done. Can you imagine a dua that the minute you say it, the response is done by who? By Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allahumma arhamni, Ya Allah, have mercy upon me. Done. Allahumma rizqni. Done. Ya Allah, give me rizq. And again, anytime we say rizq, our mind immediately goes to wealth. This here, your presence here, your being able to attend the Isha is a rizq, ya akhwan. You are learning something new. This is a rizq. To go home and find a righteous wife waiting for you, this is a rizq. To have a child and teenager still listening to you, this is a rizq. To be able to memorize 1 ayah of the Quran is a rizq. There's so many rizq. So he said, done. So rizq came to you, and you don't know what it is, but you got the rizq. So ya akhwan, very simple. Subhanallah, walhamdulillah, wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar. Allahumma aghfirli, Allahumma arhamni, Allahumma rizqni. Ready? Subhanallah, alhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, Allahu akbar. Allahumma aghfirli, Allahumma arhamni, Allahumma rizqni. Subhanallah, alhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, Allahu akbar. Allahumma aghfirli, Allahumma arhamni, Allahumma rizqni. Subhanallah, alhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, Allahu akbar. Allahumma aghfirli, Allahumma arhamni, Allahumma rizqni. Subhanallah, alhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, Allahu akbar. Allahumma aghfirli, Allahumma arhamni, Allahumma rizqni. Subhanallah, alhamdulillah, la ilaha illallah, Allahu akbar. Allahumma aghfirli, Allahumma arhamni, Allahumma rizqni.